Yeah, get into crypto. Yeah, it's profitable. Yeah, you can mine. Yeah, I spent $10,000, but I can't make that back for 40 years. There's got to be another way to make money in crypto. Constellation DAG. All right, so I'm going to try and buy this. So this is what it looks like. You put it above your door. People walk past it and they make crypto. Why wouldn't I want that? I want it. Let's buy it. $5,500? Yo, you gotta be kidding me. Does this thing come with like caviar and a gold-plated car? What the? All right, whatever. I'm gonna buy it, guys. Here you see the price, so you know I'm not joking. $5,500. Buy it now. I'm hitting the button. Here we go. Please allow 2 weeks to ship. 2 weeks. Time to make some money. Let's go. Buy it now. Boom. Bought. Now I gotta wait for the mailman. Dude. You literally suck ass at this game. Why are you even playing? Did you steal your cousin's... You're bad. Why are you killing me? Do it again. I dare you. I dare you. Yo, you just ran right past me! Alright, I'm playing God of War. This is ridiculous. Boy, fetch me my ledger. Boy. Oh, no. I heard my doorbell ring. I'm fat. I think my miner's here. Time to mine. Is this guy kidding me? Oh boy. You gotta be kidding me, right? Alright, let's go. What is up, everybody? My name is Crypto the Dipto. If you are new here, welcome to my channel where I talk about crypto and I throw in a sprinkle of entertainment for y'all. If you are new here, what is mining? So basically, mining is the act of using your computer's power to earn crypto. So you may be asking yourself, how does my computer earn crypto? So your computer has a GPU, which is a graphics processing unit, also known as a graphics card. Now, basically, they named it mining because you can think of it that way. Now, let's say you have one mountain of rocks and a similar mountain of rocks. You put one person here with a pickaxe and 3 people here with a pickaxe. Which pile of rocks will get demolished first? The one with 3 people. Why? Because it has more power. So that's how it works with computers. They use graphics cards. They use, other components of a computer to mine crypto. So they started getting more advanced, okay? So now they're coming out with devices that you can use. They have things that you can put in your car that tracks, all the information about your car. We also have the helium miner. We have something called HeatBit, which is a miner that warms up a room. It acts as a heater, but you can also mine crypto with it. The only problem is that in the beginning, it was very lucrative. Now that there are so many people in the crypto space, it really isn't that lucrative and you would need a lot of money. And even then, if you put a lot of money into it, it's going to take you a very long time to make that money back because you spent money on equipment and all this stuff. So this is just for comedy purposes, but this is basically the size of the Constellation DAG miner, which is meant for foot traffic. So you're not going to want to put it in your house above your doorway, especially if you live alone, because you're going to be running back and forth a lot. Just how I did. You know, because I was going to put this in a supermarket, and then I realized I'm not going to put it in a supermarket. So I decided to make my own money, and I'm going to show you how I did it in a matter of 3 years. This video is time-lapsed. Here we go. What is up, everybody? I am back. So if you haven't caught on, that was a joke. That was not real. That was a sketch. That was comedy. Ha ha ha. If you stuck around, I'm glad you stayed. I do want to just show you a couple little things about Constellation DAG, the token, and the product. So what you see me holding, and I put up on my God damn it, this thing. This is just a charger for my phone, but this is a good reference point for the Dor Traffic Monitor. It's probably the same size, you know, give or take. But the crazy part is how much it costs. So you'd see something like this, but you also know it's a miner, and miners are usually expensive. You would think 80, 100, all right, let's say $250, $300, because it's crypto. So things are expensive because this is a new space. So you got to make things expensive. Just like when you bought a flat screen TV when you were a little kid, they were like $5,000. And if your friend had one, they were rich. Now you can get a TV that's this thin for like $200. But with that being said, I'm going to give you a couple little pointers and some information about this miner. Just so you get a better feel for it. And then if you want to do your own research, I highly suggest you do that. Okay, so the good thing about this is that it's absolutely easy to install. So another thing about this miner is that it also acts as a little node. So basically, if nobody's walking or passing, you still do earn rewards. But this would basically work better in an area that is, you know, populated, overpopulated, not in your own doorway, especially if you live alone, because you'd have to walk past this thing about 7,000,637 times to probably even make $3. I'm not sure the math or how much you make off of this, but it's probably better if you own a business or a store where you can plop it up and forget it, set it and forget it. Okay, so that's another good thing, is it's easy to install. Also, when you buy it, these are the things that are included, but I figure this is pretty much basic, but I just threw it in anyway. So here, take a look, take a gander. Another thing is the rank, the coin price, and basically where it's at on coinmarketcap.com, which I'll show you right here. Boom. You see that? That's the price and that's the rank. Okay, so it's basically affordable. So if I was you, I would buy some. No, I'm lying. If I was me, I would buy some. And I did buy some. And I'm going to buy more because this is not financial advice. But you can do some research and you can check it out on your own. You can go on Twitter and do all that stuff. Another thing that is absolutely amazing is the fact that they partnered with a government agency. And they also have these amazing partners at the bottom of the screen that you could see. But the massive one that's really cool is this one right here. That's amazing. If that doesn't blow your mind, then I don't know what will, because that is absolutely amazing. But here comes the crappy part. This thing will burn a massive hole in your pocket and in your bank account. This little thing goes for, get ready for it, not 300, even that's a lot, 5,500 US dollars. I don't know about you, but I lose everything, and I'm not paying almost $6,000, probably $6,000 after tax to lose this. No, thank you. So those are just a couple things about Constellation DAG. That is one of the products. This isn't really it. I don't know if anybody realized that or didn't realize that, but I have to clarify. This is just the charger that goes in the bottom of my phone. But it was the closest thing I could find. But like I said, this is the product. This is for Constellation DAG, which is DAG. You can find it on CoinMarketCap. Type it in Google, research it. Do excuse me. Do your own research and never forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. My name is Crypto at the Dipto. This is another day and another video down. You are amazing. You are blessed. You are worth it. Have a phenomenal day. I am out. Peace.